What is going on, all my future millionaires? Thank you so much for tapping in with me. I'm going to keep it real short, real sweet with the simple HFX strategy. It's 87% win rate for me. It's not even like a lot of technical analysis involved, just basic support, resistance, and momentum. We're going to get into it. So as you just seen, I posted on my Instagram that day traders make 118K per year on average, or $57 per hour. So my goal today is to let's make $57 per hour. Like, I'm trying to have a 118K at least per year salary. So the first step you want to do is log into your broker. And then after that, you want to check the news for sure. You want to stay away from any red folders. 3, find yourself a good pair. Make sure that this pair is paying out at least 75%. So your payout is going to be the amount of money that you invest plus the percent of that. So if it's 75% and you invest $100, then you're going to get back $175 when you win a trade. So you always want to make sure that it's worth the risk, because you don't want to place a trade for $100 and have a 50% payout. Now you're risking $100 just to get back 150. It's not worth it. So at least 75% payout, and make sure that your currency pairs do not have any news. So step 4, you're going to go ahead and start conducting your market analysis, just finding your support and resistance zones. So your support is going to be where market comes down to, and it's just like, it's not passing it. And if it does pass it, it's for a very limited amount of time. It's supporting the base of that market structure. The resistance is where market will buy up to, but it won't bypass that zone. It's like it hits it and then it falls back down. Now that is, you can look at it sort of like a roof. So the support and resistance lines on my chart are drawn. As you see, I have my support at the bottom and my resistance at the top. So the next step is to go ahead and find your trend, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. I see here a uptrend, and so the difference is clear. Either market is looking like it's going to buy up, or it's looking like it's going to buy down, or it could be consolidating. So after you determine that, if I know that market is buying up, when I go to the chart and I see these red candles selling down, I'm not going to enter the trade right away. I'm going to wait for the market to sell down to the lowest possible zone, because you want to buy low, and I'm buying. So market has came down to the first zone. As you see, I did put in 3 different zones. It came right down to that first one and shot up, gave me a really big green candle, which was a great indicator that market was going to start buying up. Now it's time to go into your broker. Pull up an indicator, something that's going to give you extra confirmation. I used the awesome oscillator, which is just a market momentum indicator. I waited for the pullback. I entered, and here is the breakdown. I was able to make $51. It took me 26 minutes to analyze this trade and get into it and for it to clear from start to finish. So can you make $57 an hour as a day trader? Absolutely. And so ultimately you can make 118K plus. And I believe that they said that the top 10% make 195K. So, 118 is just the start. It's just the sky is the limit for real when it comes to it. And a lot of people think you need a big account size. I did this with a $200 account. So literally, it's always great to have a lot of money, like a big account, but you can always build it up, and just rinse and repeat. Because literally, I could have did this 3 more times within an hour, and that would have made me $153 an hour. So hit me up If you need the full breakdown, my students already have access to this full breakdown, and I will be so glad to help. And let's get into it. You guys have a great day. Tap in with me, follow me, subscribe. Wherever you're seeing this video, there's more content coming soon. Let's get it.